we need to work out the length of QR. So Q to R is this length here. So I'll call that X. Now I'm looking at the triangle that involves QR. So that's looking at this triangle here. I can see that I know one length is 14, but I don't know either of the angles, and I don't know the length here. So I want to see if I can work out any of those things. First thing to note, these lines here, and the fact that I'm told that PQ is parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. So if they are parallel, we have got alternate angles. If this angle here is 62, then this angle here is going to be 62. Now let's look at this right angle triangle here. I can use this right angle triangle to work out the hypotenuse, this length here. So, I know the opposite side is 8. The hypotenuse is what I want to work out. So O and H is sin. So sin 62 is equal to the opposite, which is 8, divided by the hypotenuse, which is what I'm wanting to work out. I can then rearrange that. So the hypotenuse will be equal to 8 divided by sine 62, and I can put that into my calculator. So we have now worked out the hypotenuse here. Whatever this answer is, will be the length here. And we can now use that to help me in this triangle, where I can now use the cosine rule to work out the length X. I'm going to call length X, I'll call that the A, which means the angle opposite it, the 62 degrees, will be angle A. The 14 can be B, and the C will be the hypotenuse from the little right angle triangle, whatever the answer from this was. Applying the cosine rule then, I will have A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times cos 62. Put all of that into your calculator and remember to square root, and that is what will tell you, that is your answer for the length QR.